friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Fashom unboxing today, and I can't remember what I picked, so let's get into it. If you haven't tried Fashom before and you'd like to, I'll leave a description down below. And I think there's a referral link too. I think you might get $10 off your first box. Maybe it's down there, I don't know. I think. So let's get into it. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver, and we're gonna open her up. My hair is like really long. I'm not used to it. I didn't like curl it as much as I used to do. I just kind of like did. Usually I would like, people have asked before. I do have a hair video of how I curl my hair, and it's over here. It's a couple years old, but it's still basically the same. I usually separate it and then do like sections, but today I just did like one pass. I did like 4 on each side, just like in sections. You get it. You know what sections are. Anyway, I did less sections is what I was getting at. So it's still like kind of straight, a little wavy. You can't see it as good in this black shirt, but I don't know. I felt like wearing a black shirt today. So we have our note with our little invoice, prices, things there. Hi Rachel, and thank you so much for styling with Fashom again. It's so lovely to see you back with us. For that beautiful weather ahead, I've included some great styles for your upcoming holiday to Jamaica resort wear and kept your new updated sizing in mind. There are a few pieces that I did size you up in solely because they are super fitted. Thank you. I also unfortunately could not find a pair of really flowy pants that work with your fit and style preferences, but I will keep an eye out for those in the future. Some of these pieces are a bit transitional as well, but one of my favorites could be the Verdiarte drop earrings because they can be worn so easily with all of the pieces from the box. I especially like them though with the Lila floral print top or the Meg crochet top for a comfortable yet pulled together resort wear chic look. Can't wait to hear what you think and have a great time, Kristen XO. Thank you, Kristen. Here we go. They send you, people are sending like colored bags now. Wantable just had a colored bag too. They send you the bag to mail back what you don't want to keep. And here's our bundle. It's just a tiny bundle. It's just a tiny one. Tiny bundle. Okay, here we go. We're tearing into the bundle today. I'm going to Target later, if anyone cares. I'm going to Target. It's my birthday. It was my birthday? It was my birthday by the time you see this. And I have some birthday money. And I'm going to go to Target. So first up are these earrings. They're pretty cute. Let's open her up here. Real time. They are like a gold tone. Kind of, let's see. See? So they're really pretty. Imagine them, if you will. Imagine, if you will, a world where these are in my ears. And they're hanging here. Those are really nice. I think those are fun. They probably look cute with your hair up too. They're like actual threads. It's not metal or anything, it's actual kind of like threads. Because you can see in the back. Maybe you can't. But they're actual threads. So those are actually, does anybody, has anybody watched The Parent Trap? Of course, you know, with Lindsay Lohan. And I used to watch that all the time as a kid. And they say actually in that movie probably like at least 50 times. Next time you watch it, count. Don't take a drink for every time they say it because you will be on the floor. Actually, here we go. We have this purple shirt. It's kind of like an athletic-y like material. That's a pretty color, and then it has like rouging on the side. It's pretty. It was a pretty color. They send you like some options, and you can pick what you want them to send you. This honestly looks like a maternity shirt, I do have to say, because of the rouging on the side. So I wouldn't be surprised. It says performance tee, but it's a really pretty color. So there's that. Next we have this tank top. And it's kind of like a seafoam green striped tie-dye kind of flowy tank top, which is also cute. It has a pocket on the front for God knows what, but also cute. And then we have this white crochet kind of like top. I just thought it was kind of resort wear, like she said. The top is very stretchy. It's just kind of flowy. We'll see. I'm not like a white clothing person, but I thought, you know, maybe resort wear Rachel is. I don't know. And then we have just this kind of like mustard blocky boxy t-shirt with a flower on the front. They look like peonies probably. Maybe not peonies. Yeah, peonies. Or poppies. Poppies. So very big and boxy. This is size large. And I know how much this t-shirt is, and you're gonna be like, what? When we go over prices at the end. But there's my box. Let's try things on. Here's the shirt. It's big. It is a size large. But I think it's just made that way. The sleeves are sewn, cuffed, which I like because it sucks when like the cuff comes out. If this were cropped, like I would like it a lot more. Yeah, I could tuck it in. But if it were like a cropped boxy tee instead of like how long it is, I just feel like I'm wearing like one of my dad's shirts or something. Yeah, like that's cute if it were cropped like that with like how big the sleeves are. I think that's nice. Like I said, yeah, I could do that. I could crop it, I could sew it, I could tuck it in, I could do all that stuff. But I mean, I feel like I could get this somewhere for less money. Wait till you see how much this shirt is. But I do really like the color. I like the color a lot. I like the floral on it. I think it's a cute graphic tee. Here's resort wear, Rachel. Say that 5 times fast is very hard. It's long. I'm just kind of over like the long tops. Again, I could tuck it. It does go down like past my cami, so I mean, on vacation, I'm sure I'm not gonna be wearing a cami, and I'll probably just be wearing bathing suits and stuff. But it's cute for those of you who like to wear white. The crochet like embroidery is really nice on it. I think that's really cute and dainty, very summery, very flowy, especially if it's not tucked. But I just like it better tucked. So it's cute. I do like the neckline. This is very stretchy. I don't know why this part would be stretchy, but it is. So it's cute. I just, I don't think I get much wear out of it. I don't know. I do know. I'm not going to get much wear out of it. On to the next one. Here's just a nice flowy tank top. I really like the color. I do wish it didn't have a pocket because the pocket is like way over here on the side boob. And like, what do you need a side boob pocket for? It's really flowy. It's got a nice little flow to it. You could tuck it in. You could tie it in a knot. I mean, I guess don't tuck it in. It doesn't look that great. But you could tie it. It's very stretchy, folks. You could do that. I'm not stretching out the material. It's already very stretchy. Everyone calm down. Yeah, it's okay. The armholes are nice. I was afraid that the armholes might be a little too big. I don't know if that's the vibe I'm going for, this flowiness. Alright, last but not least, let's do that purple top. Purple top! Okay. I think this is a maternity workout top. I could be wrong, but the ruching on the side leads me to believe it might be maternity. And then also on the bottom, it has like little rubbery parts so that your top stays down and doesn't ride up, which could be the workout part of it so that it doesn't ride up when you're, you know, running and whatever workout people do. But I mean, I think it's a maternity top. I love the color. I think the color is beautiful. Love the color. I think I just, yeah. If it were a normal t-shirt in this color, super cute. I like the sleeve length. But no, it's not. It's not. It's like a workout maternity top, I swear. Okay, let's go over prices. I'm so blurry. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. All right. So the Inherit Clothing, a Shani top, which is that purple top, $42. The Esley Meg crochet top in white, $44. The Polygram Lila floral print top, the yellow one, you ready? $54 for that t-shirt. The Verdiarte Lexi Oval woven drop earring is $38, and the white birch tie-dye tank is $38. So the whole box would be $216. If you keep 5 things, you get 30. If you keep everything, you get 30% off, which would make the box $150, $120, and then there's a $20 styling fee, so you'd take that off too. So Fashom is cool, where if you keep 3 or more items, you get 15% off. So at least you get something off for keeping a few. I think I'm gonna keep the earrings this box. I wasn't really thrilled with any of the tops. So the earrings would just cost me another $18, so $38 for those earrings. Since I already have $20 invested in the box, I don't want it to go to waste, and I did like those. I think those are nice. They're really light. They're really interesting with the thread, I thought. So yeah, so that's my box. That's my little Fashom box this time around. I'm gonna go to Target now and see what they have there, because, you know, birthday money. You're never too old to appreciate birthday money, okay? I will say that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.